So guys, ये आपको स्टीम इंजन दिखाता हूँ. अभी we are in Darjeeling. We are going towards Sailing. And interesting thing कि I'll show you. I think this is toy train, right?
Yes, this one is.
So I'll show you the toy train. So you can see the steam over here. And this one is the Darjeeling station. यहाँ पे जो trains है, there are two type of trains I can see.
One is diesel and
one is diesel, another one is steam. Altitude of this Darjeeling station is, you can see guys, 6812 feet. 6,800 feet means 670 floors. So that's interesting. You can see we are driving in a very dangerous road right now. And there are many fogs. Alexa, what is the time now?
The time is 10:52 a.m.
Got it, guys?
Hope you're
So
having a great weekend.
yeah, thank you. So you can see the how is the route, and this is 11 a.m. almost, and this is the. Just imagine what would be if we are driving in the evening. So this is pretty interesting and fun. We are driving Xuv700, so that's, you know, have enough power to handle everything. So I think wherever light is lacking, it will be enabling the extra lights automatically. So we are on the steep hills. There are villages in between. This is a one way, na?
yeah, no.
This is two way.
It's not.
विशाल जी ड्राइव करेंगे आते टाइम?
मैं ऑटोमेटिक नहीं चलाऊंगा, मैं रिस्क नहीं लूंगा automatic।
ऑटोमेटिक में और मजा आएगा।
मजा तो आएगा, लेकिन मैं इसको चलाऊंगा पहले उधर मेन रोड पे, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू ऑटोमेटिक कार, आई एम यूज्ड टू मैनुअल कार।
Yeah, I had the same thing, but when I got used to, then उसके बाद फिर वापस जाने का मन नहीं करता।
पुणे में जाएंगे ना तो एक्सचेंज आवर कार्स।
Yes.
सो मजा आएगा।
हाँ, बहुत।
So in Pune, like we are neighbors, we live just very close. So
And you know, history of the, you know, how we met. That is also
it is very interesting. I told it today morning. I'll tell you the story. So what happened that one evening I was like, you know, I every evening I go to watch sunset over there alone, you know, just solo. So I just went with my car Harrier, and I was sitting over there for almost half an hour. And then I thought that when I was about to go back to my home, I thought I should go and a little far, and then to see just for a ride. There's no one with me. It was all because of my mood. And I went there and I saw that a guy is recording, you know, something in his phone like he's doing right now. Okay, in the car. And this was a new car launched that time. It has been just 10 to 15 days, right? So maybe a month that this was launched. So I saw him, but I didn't stop because I didn't want to disturb him. So I went ahead. Then I took a U-turn. When I came back, I thought I should talk to this guy. What exactly is he doing, and what is this? What is
you can exactly see guys dead slow जाना है इधर. Yeah, please.
So उसके बाद फिर मैंने क्या करा? मैंने राम जी को मैंने रुका, मैंने पूछा, ऐसे इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, हाय हाउ आर यू डूइंग। तो फिर उन्होंने बताया, फिर बात में ये पता चला कि ये तो मतलब मेरे विलेज के पास के हैं, मतलब कजिन की तरह हैं इतना। और फिर पुणे में भी पास में रहते हैं, फ्रॉम द सेम विलेज। सो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है मिलना हमारा। आफ्टर दैट
it was just, you know, constructive mindset, you know,
it was all coincidence, destiny, but from since then it is like we are family now, both in Pune and wherever we go, we are always there to support each other in all the things. And him, especially being my elder brother, he always there to guide me, always motivates me to do something. Like I told you, I'm planning to start a YouTube channel. Till date I haven't posted even a single video, but the first point when I made the channel, he made me do it. I was at his home for dinner. He said, no, you have to make a channel right now. So he made my channel, and then we posted a few videos. But after that day, I never posted again because we never met again.
Now is time.
When we are meeting again, I'll start posting on
Yeah.
What is the name of the vlog?
TikTok Teardown is our channel name.
Okay.
So good part is, you know, about that is, I mean, any channel there used to have certain criteria
Okay.
to get that monetized. So I accepted that as a challenge. US, he broke the record and he got that his channel monetized in 6 months. That's what I got my channel monetized in just 3 months. That was the challenge I had accepted, and I got it. So by looking upon the, you know, the willingness of the people to know the things to in a, you know, interesting way, I thought this is good platform to talk upon. So since then I am just doing. My channel is impacted since last, you know, we are doing drive since last 1 month almost. So, but every recording is with me. We have to go down. No?
Yes, no.
So we will start posting from here only, Vishalji. है ना?
Okay. Give it a go.
Yeah, thank you. That is how. That is why we are eventually taking the snaps. I was talking that, you know, the constructive vision and all these things.
Yes.
So guys, you can see the थोड़ी सी गाड़ी से महक तो आ रही है, बट ब्रेक पैड टाइप की, बट दैट इज़ नेचुरल. बहुत ही स्टीप ड्राइविंग है हमारी, और हम लोग यहाँ पे रुके हैं कुछ स्नैक्स करने के लिए. You can see रिटर्निंग में भी हमें इसी रास्ते से जाना है. That's what is the specialty in this? This is non-veg, right?
No,
We
this
all
is,
are
this
non-veg.
is bread omelette, bun omelette.
हाँ.
Then there is this tea for you. What is this? Alumin.
This is alumin.
It is some kind of misal pav. Misal pav in Mumbai, Pune.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
this is
that's
kind of
great.
misal
That's
pav.
great.
Yeah,
And you would have met earlier Vishal ji.
the harrier guy.
Yeah, me, Rampes, you already know. You know, so this is good to have. Let's finish up this first, and then we will move forward. Come. So guys, we are heading towards the railing, and now you can see the difference in weather.
Hey, hold on.
So this is
Lala.
my lights are automatic. Switched on. Yeah, it will be.
Lala. Sorry.
I ain't gonna take that, stay back.
With
I'll be swinging hard till it hits, coming in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of
जाने में
being
तो ऐसा भी
cautious.
आएगा, आने में
Something can't stop this.
आने में
Feel everybody
तकलीफ नहीं
saying cut a shot.
है ना?
Sick of hearing everyone
ऊपर
Traffic.
चढ़ने में तकलीफ नहीं होगा, जाने में प्रॉब्लम होता है.
हाँ, क्या?
It's like candy
हाँ,
canes, it
हाँ.
makes me go change into a better frame.
तो हिल डिसेंट आप हाईवे में भी है ना. अच्छा, तो हिल डिसेंट भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. हिल डिसेंट ऑन करूँगा ना, गाड़ी नीचे नहीं
इसमें
जाएगी.
है?
हाँ है. हाँ, दिस इज टॉप मॉडल, सो एवरी फंक्शन इट इज हैविंग. दिस इज हेल्पिंग अ लॉट. Everyone is shooting so that
Okay.
this beep is of seat belt actually.
Okay.
So this car have sensors.
Okay.
If no one is sitting there ना,
Okay.
beep नहीं आएगा. विशाल जी,
हाँ, वो
I have
हरियर में-
tested,
हरियर में
है ना? I don't know how it is achieved, but there must be some sensors. I think.
Maybe because of the weight, no?
हाँ, because of the way. I kept laptop. I keep driving by putting laptop, but that sensor do not detect. You know.
Maybe
Wow.
heat sensing होगा.
हाँ, कुछ तो रहेगा. So this is
इससे से रास्ता अच्छा है.
हाँ. So guys, ये रोड है. अब आप बताओ हम आगे जाएं या Wow. Look at this. Look at the weather. पूरा बादलों के अंदर से जा रहे हैं. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? We don't know. days back. That time also, wow, look at the steep road guys right hand side पे. यहाँ से 45 degree slant है. मैं इसको दिखाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Yeah, look at this. Okay.
Ram,
हाँ
on each bend,
हाँ.
you have to horn लगाना पड़ेगा.
Okay. So every turn,
Yeah.
this
You have to
is
honk.
mandatory to blow the horn.
Horn, you have to blow the horn. Yes.
So we are because of this is a mandatory thing here, right?
Yes.
So I
Because
was
other
not knowing
guys,
that. Yeah.
You won't be knowing, no?
Yeah. Actually, I try to avoid keeping horn because at some places in India there are challan on using the horn unnecessarily.
Over here, you have to use it.
Yeah, here it's
Yes.
hilly area and steep. So
Mom, you want to come out?
definitely-
Huh?
Experience it.
Okay.
तो ये है गांव की जिंदगी की मेहनत लग के वो देखिए और देयर वी आर. तो पंकज त्रिपाठी का एक शेर है, मतलब उसने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला है कि सड़क तो अब आई है गांव जब पूरा गांव शहर जा चुका है कि नहीं.
ब्यूटीफुल यू कैन सी द चाय का बगान ऊपर है दाहिने साइड में. ये सारे चाय के बगान है एक्चुअली. एंड
So mom,
Yes.
how does it feel?
Very, very nice. Awesome.
Awesome.
lovely place.
Yeah. Look there. That place is called Vijayanbari. Crowded.
Okay.
ऊपर का खराब है ना.
ऊपर का खबर है.
अच्छा लगा.
बहुत मस्त है. इट्स नेक्स्ट लेवल फील एक्चुअली. और हम लोग तो वहाँ बिहार में तो इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है अभी नॉर्थ में भी बहुत ज़्यादा. आई मीन in morning 10 AM we cannot stand outside.
अभी तो बहुत प्लेजेंट है ना यहाँ पे तो.
यहाँ पे तो बहुत प्लेजेंट. I went to Pokhara. There also it was dynamic weather, but I was thinking that Darjeeling is way better than this.
Yes.
Darjeeling and Gangtok. So
Gangtok is slightly warmer than Darjeeling.
is it?
Yes,
Wow.
because altitude is much lesser than Darjeeling.
Oh. So Darjeeling is more on
Yeah,
height.
it's higher than
Oh,
Gangtok.
is it? So we went on Changu Lake.
Changu Lake, that is 12,000 something.
12,000 square
Yes.
feet, no?
And the average altitude of Darjeeling is 7,000 feet.
Oh my god.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
सो गैस हमने यहाँ पे पार्क किया है एंड एक यहाँ पे व्यू पॉइंट है, बहुत ही मस्त है। ये आप देखेंगे कि कैसा एरिया में जो भी ठंडे प्रदेश है उनमें से ऐसे पेड़ मिलते हैं। यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में अगर आप देखेंगे, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे आपको भोलेनाथ का एक बड़ी सी भोलेनाथ की प्रतिमा है। और ये सारे जो हम लोग इसके अंदर भी जा सकते हैं घूमने के लिए वैसे, तो दैट इज़ पेड। ये एक ब्रिज है, ये पुराना ब्रिज है और हम लोग के कान बिल्कुल ही बंद हैं गाइस। अगर मैं बोलूँ तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ मुझे खुद नहीं पता चल पा रहा है, which I am not able to listen anything. So let me show you, विशाल जी, how you are enjoying, कैसा मजा आ रहा है?
It's really awesome. और यहाँ पे भोलेनाथ की बड़ी सी प्रतिमा लगी हुई है।
ये देखिए कितना खूबसूरत प्रतिमा है। और एक बीच में पॉन्ड है, पॉन्ड में वाटर फाउंटेन भी लगा हुआ है। और यू कैन लुक एट दिस, हाउ इज द, ये यहाँ से मैं आपको दिखाऊं, इधर आपको यहाँ पे एक झरना भी है, झरने से पानी जाता हुआ आपको दिख रहा है। एंड यहाँ पे भोलेनाथ यहाँ पे है, उसके वहाँ पे भोलेनाथ के साथ साथ पंचमुखी बजरंग बली भी है। मैं आपको जूम करके दिखाने की कोशिश करता हूँ गाइस। देखिए पंचमुखी बजरंग बली है एंड शंकर पार्वती है, इधर बजरंग बली है। यहाँ पे भोलेनाथ के अलग अलग मुद्रा आपको दिख पा रहा है गाइस। ये जो जगह है गाइस, इसको जामुनी बोलते हैं, तो जामुनी गांव है ये। और यहाँ के गांव सारे से
It's called Little Rangit. And this is one of the tributary of River Teesta.
Oh,
We used to come here for fishing.
हाँ क्या?
Yeah.
Wow. There are guest houses here, so we can book and we can stay here as well. I'll try to catch up some. सो गाइज आप देख सकते हैं अभी हम लोग कितना खूबसूरत जगह है, ये जमुना करके जगह है, यहाँ पे हम लोग आए हुए हैं। 3000 किलोमीटर स्ट्रेट XUV700 ड्राइव करके यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं और पूरा हिल एरिया है, बहुत ही इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ नेक्स्ट लेवल मेस्मराइजिंग प्लेस वी हैव रीच्ड एंड वी फील ब्लेस्ड कि यहाँ पे आए हैं। और यहाँ पे हमारे सामने भोलेनाथ भी मौजूद है। तो गाइज चलिए अब जर्नी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और नेक्स्ट लेवल पे आपको लेकर के चलते हैं, प्लीज़ कम। तो अपन रेलिंग चलेंगे और रेलिंग में चल करके देखेंगे कि कितनी ब्यूटी है। देयर आर लॉट मेनी थिंग्स टू शो यू गाइस, सो जस्ट स्टे ट्यून्ड प्लीज।